Hello everyone, my name is Adnan. I'm General Manager of Aramco, Abu Dhabi. We actually have a project for billion tree in our country, and we have some trouble for the counting of that trees. So we bought DGI from your company, and we finished this project within one week time. First we use as a flights, and then we process it in the computer, and we found it's very reliable and very fantastic results out of this, and we always prefer DGI for our first choice. Thank you very much.